Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making pinto beans in the Instant Pot. These are the ingredients. And we start off by adding the pinto beans, the 6 cups of water, and the 2 garlic cloves. Don't add the salt, we will add that at the end. Okay, then we put our lid on, lock it. We set it up to seal. Make sure it's sealing, not venting, seal. Then we hit pressure cook mode to 40 minutes. If you don't have pressure cook on your Instant Pot and you have manual, it's the same thing. Alright, 40 minutes are done and we can now hit cancel mode. And then we do a quick release to venting. Be careful because it's really hot. We then make sure our valve is down and then is now safe to open the lid. We can check the tenderness of the bean with our fingers or with a fork. Be careful because it is really hot. If they are soft, not too soggy, but soft, that means they are done. We can now remove the 2 garlics. And then we add our salt and we give it a little stir. And there you have it, guys. Pinto beans on an Instant Pot or frijoles de la olla. So delicious, so easy. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and enjoy, guys.